Welcome to LST, a leading manufacturer with 16 years of history in the field of mid to high-end genuine chocolate machinery manufacturing. We can provide you with one-stop chocolate production solutions and have CE certification at home and abroad, exporting to more than 60 countries. At LST, we provide a full range of services, including OEM customization, formulation, mold and raw material support, and China factory pricing. Installation, after-sales service, and one-year warranty are all included. Whether you want to start a new chocolate production business or seek to upgrade your existing production line, LST can provide you with the most professional support and solutions. The LST-BM600 Ball Mill is the result of the joint efforts of teams of technical experts from each company using special components processed by Chengdu military and civilian enterprises. This state-of-the-art machine is designed to revolutionize the chocolate production process, delivering unparalleled efficiency and precision. Compared to traditional chocolate conches, the LST-BM600 has a range of advanced features that make it stand out in the industry. It has low energy consumption and high productivity. It can shorten the milling time by 8-10 times and save energy consumption by 4-6 times. The machine operates with very little noise and is equipped with an automatic temperature control system for internal circulation of hot and cold water to ensure consistent quality in each batch. Its one-touch operation, coupled with Delta and Schneider electrical components, ensures a seamless and continuous grinding process that requires only one person to operate, saving valuable labor. The LST-BM600 is designed to be easy to use and maintain with a user-friendly interface and easy open ball mill tankway. Its continuous operation simplifies the chocolate production process, making it ideal for manufacturers looking to optimize operations and maximize efficiency. Whether you are real or compound chocolate manufacturer, the LST-BM600 Ball Mill is the ultimate solution for taking chocolate production to new heights. Please visit our official website www.lstmachine.com or contact us via WhatsApp to chat with our technical sales team and learn more about how the LST-BM600 Ball Mill can revolutionize your chocolate production process. Experience the LST difference today. Thanks for watching.